friends, happy August. I hope your summer's going well. If the kids have gone back to school where you live, I know it feels like summer is over and it flew by. I'm not sure where it went. But I am glad that Young Living included a lot of cleaning products for free in the promos this month. It really helps with being out and about and coming home and getting things cleaned up. One of the things that was free this month were 3 bottles of the foaming hand soap. And often I make my own hand soap, but this one is really nice because it does have some natural alcohol in it and some other things that are really great for cleaning your hands after you've been out and about. And they do all come with the foaming pump. And you can also, some people dilute these a little bit more and make even more bottles with them. So that's another option as well. Making your own works too. I have a video about that on YouTube. So if you're watching this on the YouTube channel, you can scroll way down and I have a quick DIY tutorial. It's about 2 minutes long on how I make my foaming hand soap. So the other thing that was free this month is the Thieves dish soap, which I love. And this is actually a larger size than the one we typically can buy. And often I'll dilute it as well. And since I'm just hand washing a certain small number of dishes, most things go in the dishwasher, a bottle lasts a really long time. So I'm glad when they give us this one occasionally, then I rarely have to purchase it. So that was another great free product this month. Other things that were free were these 2 oils. So there's Lemongrass, which is great for adding to your cleaning products, really good for a lot of things. Google lemongrass and you will be amazed. And then the new Luscious Lemon, which is a new scent that they're making for us as an essential oil, and I love diffusing this one. It smells so sweet and clean. It has ylang ylang in it, eucalyptus, lemon myrtle, lemon, and spearmint. So it's really great for really freshening the air in your house and making it really nice and healthy for your lungs. So those 2 were free as well. Oh, the other free thing this month was the Thieves Wipes, which again have a little bit of alcohol in them, which is great. It's kind of why our hand sanitizers work so well. But these are 30 wipes, so this is a great non-toxic, safe, plant-based way to have kind of a wet wipe option with you when you're out and about. So really fun that those are free. I'm sure I will definitely use those as well. So the predominant part of my order this month was NingXia Red, which is our wolfberry really concentrated juice. And so it's a whole food product. There's the whole wolfberry in it along with some other superfoods, and it's just a powerhouse of nutrition. So you can drink it in these packets. These are the bottles. There's 4 bottles in this box. A serving is really about 2 ounces, so you don't need a lot. And you can dilute it, make other things with it, add other things to it, or you can just drink it straight. So it's great for just energy, nutrition, general health and wellness. So don't want to be without your NingXia Red, especially if you're not sure like sort of what gaps you need to fill in nutritionally. It's a great place to start. Tons and tons of research on what this NingXia wolfberry, which comes from China, this one comes from an area that is just makes it even more super packed. I think it comes from a high mountain region, and so they get really pure mountain water, which helps. So everything is not created equal. Just because it has even the same name doesn't mean it has the same nutrient content. So sourcing is really important. I also wanted to put a plug in for the charcoal mask, which was new last month, and I still love it. So this again is a product that's larger and cheaper than one of our competitors. Provides a really natural kind of skin detox, tightening the skin, shrinking, cleaning pores. It has alpha hydroxy acid in it that's derived from a food, so it's completely natural and safe. Really helps to remove that layer of dead skin cells, but it's so silky smooth to put on, and it feels so good, and it smells amazing. So just a really great product. If you haven't tried that one, I really encourage you to get it. So another one that's our new star product from Young Living is this Golden Turmeric. So if you don't know anything about turmeric or curcumin, you might want to look that up. It is just a powerhouse of goodness. Again, incredible supplement that does amazing things for your body. It really helps with managing inflammation, which most everything has inflammation as sort of its root cause. It helps with your immune response. It helps with joint health and mobility, recovery after exercise, that kind of thing. And this one also comes right now with this cute little wooden spoon. I'm not sure how long that will be the case. But it is a water dispersible colloidal suspension form of turmeric, which is the most bioavailable form on the market right now, which is one reason it's so good. It's 25 times more bioavailable than standard turmeric extract. and your body will absorb the same amount of curcuminoids from 300 milligrams of golden turmeric as it will from nearly 2,000 milligrams of a standard turmeric. So this product also contains prebiotics, which are great to help with your digestion, and it also contains frankincense resin and a few essential oils too, which really help with that absorption and that bioavailability. So this is actually a drink, and you can, again, add things to it or just drink it plain. It's delicious plain. It has a natural mango flavor. So you use about half a teaspoon in like 4 to 6 ounces of water if you're drinking it straight. So really, really great product. Again, just really helps with all those things that are caused by inflammation to help the body manage. So again, look up turmeric, look up curcumin, and you will just realize why this is something that is foundational, and this product is so good. So another thing that I ordered this month is mineral essence, and minerals are one of those other things that are just the basis for health. And so it's really easy in our kind of devoid of nutrient diets that a lot of people eat now to be missing some of these trace minerals. So this one, it's a liquid supplement, but it has lemon, cinnamon, and peppermint oils in it, which makes it a little spicy. I usually dilute it a little bit more with water. But it's ionic minerals, which are fully and quickly absorbed. So they're very available. There's also a lot of magnesium in this, which magnesium is great for supporting muscles and supporting sleep as well. But again, trace minerals are just one of those foundational things, and this is one of those products that's not as yummy as, say, the golden turmeric, but it's so foundational to health that I feel like it's an important one to take even when I don't like it. So, great product. Taste, eh. And then the last thing is the Balance Complete, which Balance Complete is a full meal replacement, so it can be used just as is. It's full of healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, fiber, and protein. So it's kind of a vanilla flavor. I'll usually add it to a smoothie. You can also, like I said, drink it plain or add an orange essential oil or something to kind of give it a little more flavor if you want. So super versatile product. It's easy to add a scoop to make a smoothie more of a complete meal. So especially if you're running late, or if you want to be on some kind of weight management program where you want to be having a meal replacement option or just a fast breakfast, it's great for that as well. So I think I mentioned everything this month, but let me know if you have any questions about anything. I'm always happy to chat. See you next month.